Michael, one of the tests that you said was changing was the sequence 9, which is the low-speed pre-ignition, or commonly the LSPI. Could you tell me a little bit about what LSPI is and why I should care about it?
Yeah, in an engine, the combustion event, so when basically the gasoline is burned, the timing for that is incredibly important. Low-speed pre-ignition, as the name implies, happens earlier than it should. The crankshaft's on the way up, and the event happens before the piston gets to top dead center.
All right.
And that jolts the piston. It can actually cause a lot of pressure.
Okay.
And actually can rip apart the piston. It can break the metal.
Wow.
And it can cause a lot of damage to an engine. So the timing of that combustion event is incredibly important. And low-speed pre-ignition is not caused by oil, but it's actually caused by the design of the engine and the OEMs trying to get more efficiency out of an engine. So some oils actually at the end of their life don't protect LSPI as well as they should. So they've actually added an aged LSPI test. So they're now aging the oil before they put it into that test to see how it performs. From a Valvoline perspective, we've already ran some tests and it performs very well in the aged oil LSPI test.
Excellent.
But the OEMs want to protect themselves and want to make sure at the end of the oil drain, the oil is protecting the same as at the beginning.